First, let's start with paragliding. It's so cool watching these guys sail through the air. I don't think I'd do this though. Would you? So, welcome to what is called the Really Hot Air Balloon Festival. Yes, it is really hot. This is the third year for this event. It is a town favorite. They set up in a beautiful park with lakes. It goes for about 2 days. It includes pop-up vendors. They sell all kinds of fun stuff, jewelry, t-shirts. The kids get to play around in the park, flipping around and such. There is live music. Of course, the big attraction, these big, beautiful balloons. I think this year there were 9. The colors are stunning, and the artwork is quite impressive. So I chatted with the balloonist, Mr. Charlie, and his adorable little helper as they were getting the balloon ready to go up. What's happening? What are you doing?
We're about to stand this balloon up and then start doing tether rides for it. So this goes well, we're going to be doing like this one is here, going up, taking passengers up on the tether lines.
So you're a balloonist?
Yes.
How long have you been a balloonist?
I first got started in 1984, but I've been doing it regularly for about 30 years.
Fantastic.
So you just gave me the thumbs up, they're about to put it.
You got the thumbs up, you're about to go.
You want to hold, grab onto that handle, you can help me let it up.
I think Mr. Charlie may be training a future balloonist. Let's see how she does. Oh, do you see that alligator on the balloon? I think this one is called Louisiana Dreams or Bayou Dreams. Oh, she just gave the thumbs up, which means the balloon is good to go. So the balloons are tethered. You see the ropes there, which are secured and anchored to the ground. And that controls how high the balloons can go up. In this case, I'm told about tree line level. And you can see all the folks lined up there waiting for a ride. I did not do a ride this time, but in the past I have done both the tethered rides and I've also enjoyed several hot air balloon flights. It was fantastic each time. I would highly recommend a tethered ride at the very least if ever you get the chance. Maybe this will inspire you. Oh my goodness, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would certainly appreciate it if you would like, subscribe, and share this channel, Gardening with Sylvia and Friends, and click the notification button so that you will know when I post my next video. Okay, bye for now. Enjoy.